go. There we go. Yep. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Matt with Allen Road Outdoors. I'm heading down to Pointe-au-Tremble, Louisiana today with my brother-in-law, Ben. We're going to go try to catch some fish. Been a lot of rain recently. The water is really high. It's actually pretty windy today. I don't know how successful of a trip this is going to be, but we're going to give it a shot. I really want to catch some fish tonight and get those cooked, so we'll see what we can do. Y'all stay tuned. Gulp on here. Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Once you get in the pond, it'd be hard to fish in the pond.
Yeah, they got one right here, and then another past the pylons. There's got to be fish in here. Yeah, look, there's all types of minnows and stuff right here. I got something. Oh, crab. Oh, shoot, I wanted to keep him.
One of these days, I'm gonna get back to Old Duck Pond.
Oh, yeah. Like, if you were to write a book on how to catch redfish, it would be casting at stuff like this. Hope something. Got one. There we go. He was right there. Right where we should have been. Yeah, I got a net. It's a good one. You good? Come on, don't come off. It might be too big, honestly. Well, we know there's fish back here.
Yeah, that was a good choice, huh?
Still fighting. He's coming around this way. I like this rod because it's so light, but man, it takes a while to fight. Yep. Did you caught it?
I ain't going fishing back with no.
Well, I like the chatterbait because it's like a mix of a gold spoon and a spinnerbait. Problem with the spinnerbait is I feel like it gets caught in the grass too much. was right here, in between these two.
So we know what we gotta start doing then.
Yep, like right there.
That backside right there.
He's fighting harder than what the size of him is. He's not that big. Probably 22 or 23 inches.
I got some picture that come out, buddy, or the case.
I gotta tell you what, I'm gonna get you to take a picture of me.
Yep.
Just hold him right there.
With the grabbers.
No, I got it.
Nice. Probably get behind them rolls over.
That's what I was, yeah, the wind's gonna be.
If you get, man,
We got there the other day.
I'm just saying, like, you get behind, if we can't catch them like that, like you just caught down, you get some of them behind them, man, that's gonna be.
A little bit. Let's try to. As long as it's not too shallow. Man, that wind.
That's why it's so funny.
Got grass on it?
Yeah, a little bit grass on it. It was
He ain't been in my boat yet. That's what makes it hard for me to. Oh, you got one? There you go. Here. Ah!
Dude!
There should be more. Just keep casting. Let's keep casting. Hey, hey, right here. I see him. No, they're right here. Just cast on right here. Probably doesn't help you on the back of the boat, so it's harder to. I saw him. He was a red. And you got a wind knot. He hit it hard, or he was just on there?
It's a soft.
Like tick.
I almost thought I had wrapped it up in a drum, and I'm like, oh Lord, and I thought, I just said,
Let's see if we can keep going. Well, we know there's fish. It's just these two. Oh, there we go. Yo, I don't think he's hooked good. I don't know, maybe the chatterbait is the right one. I think he's too small. Yeah, I got him. He might. You can just hold him right there. I think he's 18. Probably right at 18.
something with a spinner for sure.
That was dumb. Yeah, something that got some oomph to it.
That chatterbait's it.
He's right at 18.
It's perfect.
Yep.
Perfect. Throw him in the hole.
Wow.
My black bag right here.
That's heavy. Fish. That was a fish. He was sitting in there. I think I spooked him. Got him? There you go. Oh! What was that? That didn't look like a redfish. Sorry, we jumped up. Might have been bass. are doing the same thing as this one. When I cast, it's like he either blew up on it or got spooked by it.
That was. Like you said, like he jumped.
Oh! You could just put the chatterbait back on. You could just put the chatterbait back on, but I hate retying.
Go catch the crabs, huh? No, fool. You don't have probably enough stuff to license.
Yeah.
Old spoon ain't.
That's what I was thinking. Like, that's the one thing about the chatterbait. I wonder if it spooks the fish too much.
I worked with them last 2 weekends. Chatterbait.
Yeah.
Been able to throw the biggest swimming fish. And that's what you need. Just throw the fish are right there fishing.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh my God.
Look, right here. He's right here. It's right there. Every single bite or fish I've seen has been by a cut. That fish just a second ago was right there by that little cut.
Last week he caught that one in the mouth.
Let me try to.
That's gonna be some footage right there. You snag him.
Pretty sure that's a fish. Look, hey, right there, right there. That's one. It's real, real, real. Well, guys, we caught 2 redfish. 2 nice keeper size ones. Put that back in there. I'm gonna head back to the house, get those filleted, get those cooked up, and I will see y'all in the kitchen. All right, guys, I've made it back to the house. It's actually the following day. I've had these fish on ice overnight. I'm gonna go ahead, get these 2 redfish clean, and then here in a minute, you guys will see me in the kitchen. Tonight, my wife and I are doing a creamy pasta side dish paired with these redfish that are gonna be baked in the oven. Super excited about it. Y'all stay tuned. And if anyone's wondering, I'm using a Rapala 7.5-inch fillet knife. I really like this. It comes with a little sheath as well as a sharpener that you can use. It works great for filleting fish kind of on the spot like this.